There is my Tacoma right there, sitting in my grandmother's driveway. And I am headed around the back of the house to try out the temperature gun on the heat pump. I pointed at one of the registers inside the house, and it started out at like 80, and then it steadily climbed to like 94 degrees. And look at all that ice buildup. Chilly, 19 degrees. That's the air being discharged out the top of the unit. In that little frosty coil there is 14. The suction is... feels a lot warmer than that. Oh, there we go. 110. Oh, it went up to 121 for a sec. I think the outside temperature is like 36. That thing really needs to be re-insulated. I am so backlogged on videos right now. Evaporator is about 25 degrees. If I can get a good vantage on the fan motor. It's cold. There's ice built up in the base pan again. There's a drainage issue there. Look at that. Like, it was reading -3 at one point there. That's 0 degrees, that little bit of snow and ice right there. And there's part of the insulation right there. Oh, that's a good vantage point. Let's go see if the XL20i is running and try it out on that. I was going to go try out the laser gun on the XL20i, but lunch is ready. So let's just point this at the living room vent. Hello, Lexi. Yeah, you have to worry about the propane. My grandmother is asking what the point of the laser temperature gun is, and that is the temperature of cheese noodles right there.
Oh dear God. Charlie, knock it off.
That's going in the video.
Oh Jesus. Who did you tell that to?
Nobody, I'm just talking to the camera.
I know, but is the camera recording it?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, well then what'll happen?
Nothing, I'm just going to mash it in with the video of the heat pump. And it was 141 degrees earlier. It's gone down about 10 degrees. And Lexi wants my noodles.
Yeah, but Lexi can't have
and my aunt's noodles. Lexi. Hey, Lexi.